Hey guys, it's Sunday morning and I'm starting off the day with a nice drink and opening up some eBay packages that I've got. To be honest, I only recently discovered, let's say, the wonderful world of ordering cheap stuff from China with free shipping and yeah. This is the second order that I've got, and since everything is related to electronics and the things that I do here on the channel, I thought why not share it with you, share the experience for the guys who are following and interested in what I do. So let's just get on it, and in the meantime I'm going to also talk about some things that I've done this week. So let me just take a drink and get going with it. These ones, this one I know what it is already. Some packages they just write electronics on it, as I saw, but others, yeah. So these are soldering tips that I've ordered for my IOE soldering rework station that I've got, and they've cost me, let's see here, $4, so $3.99, and I've ordered them about 3 weeks ago. They said that they will deliver it between the date of September 21 and October 18, and they're here. So I'm happy. Gonna test them in a moment once I'm done with this video. As you can see, I have this this list here where I'm tracking everything that I'm ordering, so that I can follow it. And yeah, I started this sort of habit. I said, well, every week I'm gonna order some things, and then I sort of get it rolling. And every week I'll get these nice packages in the mail of things that I ordered. For the most, electronics for most people is not that exciting, but for me, every piece and every part that I get, it's like Christmas. So I'm sharing this as part of getting more material on the channel for people to follow and sort of get to know the things that I do, and maybe participate in this whole experience and this whole hobby of mine, and give me ideas and suggestions and things that I can do and improve on. So these are two EEP ROMs that I've ordered. They are SST29EE020, and they are, I believe, 256 kilobyte EEP ROMs. Yeah, so they're nice. They're I bought them just so that I can put a dedicated EEP ROM for the Z80 build, and then I don't need to worry about using the chip. I can erase it, I can put everything that I want on it. So that's nice. I started, as I said in my last update, I started recently a new job, and at that job I'm basically building these support beams for construction. Everything that you see in like large buildings, construction buildings, all these support beams. So I'm doing that, and I do metal work, and I had this idea after doing some things at work, where I can you need to like measure the whole thing. You need to add there's the support beam. What is this? Oh, this is a step down converter. This is the first order that I made, and again I made it like a month ago, and It cost me, this package, $8.69, and it's a step down converter. I think that it's a 2 amp one, if I remember, and it basically can step the voltage down from I think like 40 volts down to 3.3 or 2.8, 2.7, don't remember really, but I'm gonna make a video about it, so I'm gonna leave it packed like this, a dedicated video just to test it and see what it's like. And here I've got also a MS-GEQ7, which is a 7-band spectrum analyzer. So that's gonna get a video as well to see how it works and how we connect it. And these are some LDRs. I think that they cost like 20 for 99 cents. So I bought them. I needed them, and yeah, that's nice. I'm happy that they're here. Anyway, as I said, at my workplace, I'm building these support beams, and part of the job, well, you need to add all these things. There are these plates and holes and things that come on them, and you basically, as a metal worker, need to measure it, and you need to set all the markings correct, and everything is within a tolerance of like 1 millimeter, which is somewhat of a great tolerance in metal work, but still you need to hold to these measures. And what I was busy with, I wanted to make this sort of cart that just travels by itself with a motor along the beam, and it will measure it, and it will place markings according to a program where everything needs to go. So maybe, for example, somebody would be like analyzing the drawing before the work starts, and everything goes into a database, and then this device that sits on this cart communicates with the database, takes all the measurements, and then does everything by itself. I've used, you can see this sort of a prototype that I've made just to test the electronics in my last update. So there's gonna be a video coming about that also. And there's also this thing that I made. I have a friend, a good friend, and he's a rapper. He raps. It's not really my thing, but we had this idea, and we're gonna do it. It involves it's just a gimmick, like for himself, for the rap and things. It's gonna involve a Walkman and some scratching of tape, which is something that I saw on some other guy's YouTube channel. I'm gonna add a link in the description if you're interested in the things that he does. But there's a video that demonstrates just me testing some old Walkman that I found, and from there on we're gonna do something nice with it. So that's gonna also come up in the next few weeks or months, depend on how I progress with that. I didn't expect this one to come. So I've ordered this TL866 universal programmer, just so that I can easily program these EEP ROMs and the EP ROMs that I've bought, and make an example about that. A nice fellow, I don't remember the nickname, but he recommended it. I've asked him on one of my videos in the comments, and he said, just buy this one. So I bought it, and let's see just I'm gonna make a dedicated video on how it works and how to program chips. That was the whole idea, but it looks nice and solid. I don't know how it works, and I never ordered like devices straight out of China. They all come from China, but I guess there's some quality control or something that happens here in shops and things, but I never ordered something directly from China, and here it is, and it looks nice. Quite a solid feel to it. Never had a programmer before, but seems okay. And I get a USB cable with it and some sort of guarantee in Chinese. A small CD, drivers and utilities, and that's it. So that was it, and I'm quite excited. I'm gonna go now and have some more of my beer, and then I'm gonna go about making videos. So we're gonna see a video about this. I want to test it. I want to show just what it does and how it works. And I myself don't know what to expect, but we're gonna see. And there's also gonna be a video coming up about how to program and how to use these programmers and everything in the software, and what we need to do and not do, and everything. Like, I enjoy doing it with great detail, so that you leave the video knowing almost everything that there is to know about something that I made a video about. That was it. Hope you liked it. Keep following the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.